Hello. Hey, hi everyone. Welcome back to the next session of SAP ABAP on HANA training series. Thank you for choosing JK tutorials. So, in the previous session, we have created some basic serious views. Okay, let me open it. We have discussed about what is serious view. Okay, we have discussed this basic serious view. Okay, so in the today's session, what we will discuss is we will discuss about the and one more serious view type, which more serious view type, we will see the case statement, some expressions, okay, in the serious views. Okay, some of the expressions in the serious view. Right, so today we will see about the case expression. Okay, one second, guys. My Eclipse is not working. Um, yeah, it's okay. Okay, in the previous session also we have discussed about how to consume the serious view into your ABAP report. Okay, so today we will discuss how can we use a case statement into the select query. Sorry, in our serious view. What you have to do is right click, new, other. Okay, give here the name data definition. Next, Z case CDS underscore case statement. Statement case statement in serious view. Okay, guys, click on finish. Before till then, let me log into the backend system. Okay, let me go here. Okay, so if I want to fetch the data from SE to C69, okay, let's take here table as SNWD underscore SO. Okay, so let's take it to output, something which is visible for us, which we can understand. Yeah. So here OS status, what is other than OS status? And IX. Okay. So what we will do is we will fetch the data from SNW SO. Let's go there. Here give the data source name as SNWD underscore SO. Okay. So give a name as Z CDS. Okay. We'll give a name as case. Okay. If I want to display the field, uh, okay, control space, node underscore key. We use the different fields. For example, SO sales order ID. I will use, I will use what I will use is net amount, net amount. Okay, what amount I will use for amount. Okay, and what I will use is what I want is whenever. Okay, before that, let me move here. What I was looking into this. And only n is there. Yeah. Okay. One second, guys. I thought something. Okay. We take this NOI status, overall status. Okay. Overall status. Okay. Save this. Activate. Right click. Run as ABAP application. Okay. So you can see node is there, SOID there, net amount, and overall state. Yeah, everywhere is n. Okay. So before I will tell you what I want is if I want to use the select case statement, what I want is whenever the overall status is n. Okay, what does this n means is what does this n means is guys? N means not okay new. Okay, whenever the I want whenever the overall status is n, then there will be one column where it is written as new. Okay, new SO sales order. Okay, So for what I will do is just in this overall status, I will write a case overall status when what is my requirement is when it is what is when it is n, then print the new cell. Okay, news SOID. Okay, other than or you can give other condition when what is other conditions there or I. Okay, I will give here as I. Then it is in progress. Okay, then I will here as and as or what I can do is I can write else right here as no status. Okay, and at the last what we can do is and as this will be my overall. What is this? This is my OA status. OA overall status and as OA status. Okay, save this. Let's see what will be the output now. Activations. Right click, run as ABAP application. You can see one new OI status will be there. Okay, where it is written as an OI status because as I have seen it everywhere is N, so it is taking here as new SOID. Okay, is this clear, guys? So let's create one more case. Before that, let's find some data where we can put it. We'll put it as MAKT. END. Okay, we will do this. Okay, now let's create one more program. New, same data definition. Select this. Click on next. CDS MAKT case. So case statement and CDS view for MAKT. Okay, click on finish. Okay, I will take here the table name is MAKT, my data source name, give my DDL name, CDS on MAKT case. Okay, save this. Here, write the field's name, give here as MAKNAT. Okay, MAKT. Okay, KTX. Save this and give here as SPRAS. Save this, check this and activate this. Right click, run as ABAP application. Okay, as somewhere is ED. Okay, and what is else is there? Okay, E and D is only there. What I will do is I will write here as case SPRAS when E is there. Okay, then what is this? English. Okay, when D is there, then what is this? D is Dutch. D, yeah, D, then German. German. Okay, give here the German, and I will give and as language. Okay, and as language. Okay, guys, save this, check this, and I will activate this. Right click, run as ABAP application. So you can see here languages, English, German. Okay, so this is what our scenario is. Is this clear, guys? This case statement is clear, is okay. Okay, hope this one is clear to everyone. Okay, just give me 1 minute. Yeah, guys, I hope this case statement is clear to everyone. Just practice this out. Okay, and we will see more examples in our coming up sessions. Okay, yeah. So that's all for this session. See you in the next session. Thank you. Bye bye. Have a good day.